Do you guys have pigeons or other large birds? I'm going to tell you the one bird spider that you want to have. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. Today I got another one for you guys, and this one has to do with birds, and we're talking bird spiders.
It's what we ordinarily call a bird spider.
And you're thinking, what the frick's he talking about? Well guys, I'm talking bird spiders to keep those pigeons, those seagulls, those larger birds, and a little smaller, those crows, those crackles, things like that, off the areas that they're crapping all over and you can't stand it and you need a way to deter them. Well, I got one for you today, and it's the bird spider by Bird B Gone. And now you're wondering what it is? I'm going to show you what it is. This is the bird spider right here, guys. Now they call this a bird spider because it is a product that has arms on it, and these arms go out and they rotate 360 degrees, and I'm going to show you. It comes like this, all wrapped up with a fancy little twisty tie. You're going to have your fancy packaging with the directions. But do you need those? Do you need those? No, you don't. You got me. I'm going to show you how to use it right now. This is what the bird spider looks like. See the rotation? So what these arms do is they just sway in the wind, and they just keep the birds away, because the birds see this and it freaks them out and they don't want to land. So you need to get the spider that's going to cover the area that you're putting this on. Now, where are these good for? These are good for AC units. These are good for lights, parking lot lights especially. We put these on parking lot lights in structures all the time. You can do spikes, but this is so much easier to do. You slap one of these bad boys on and you're good to go, and you're not putting individual rows of spike up. Now, spikes, they have got their uses. This isn't always what you're going to use. This may not be great for like a roof line where you need to use bird spike. So we're talking about areas where bird spiders are going to work. Let's get back to it. AC units, lights, boat docks, anywhere where you have a smaller area that you're trying to keep them off of. Now, this is a 2-foot bird spider, but these come in 2, they come in 4. I don't have another hand free, but they come in 6, and they come in 8 arm lengths. So it's going to be 8 feet from side to side, okay? Not an 8-foot arm. And what you do is you just mount them up to that structure. Now, if you look on the bottom of this, you'll see that it has screw holes. So if you have something that you can put screws through, whether they're self-tapping or they're wood screws, then you can just drill right through. The way to put these up onto parking lot lights, unless you have parking lot lights that I haven't seen before, is to bond it. And what are you going to bond that with? There are many products out there, man, but I've used them all. I've even used liquid nails in my early days, and they will let you down in the long run. So what I recommend is a silicone sealing caulking right here. Do you see this one? E6100, howtopest.com. We got this over there for you. We got the bird spiders, we got the bond, you just need a caulking gun. You want to put a decent amount on the bottom of this, and you want to make sure you cover the screw holes, because you're trying to keep water from seeping in when you get the rain and stuff like that. And then put a good size amount. And then what you do is you want to press it down fairly hard, hold it there for just a second, and this bond will just lock up. It'll be fully cured in 24 to 48 hours, depending on your weather outside. If it's really hot out there, it's gonna seal up a little bit quicker. If it's really cold, it'll take a little longer. But 24, 48 hours, this stuff ain't moving. Once you put that up there right, it's not moving. Let me backtrack a little on that. Clean the surface first. You can clean it with a wet rag and water, but you're getting the dust off. This is if you're not screwing this into place. If you're screwing it into place, then it doesn't matter. I mean, you probably still want to clean the surface, but it's not for the adhesive to grab. But if you don't clean that surface and you put that adhesive up, that bond is not going to get down to the structure you're trying to bond it to. It's only going to be on the dust, and this thing's going to fall off on you. This thing, these products right here, these bird spiders, I want to set this down, the glue. These bird spiders, they work so well on those larger birds, those pigeons. We just closed out a job a couple weeks ago, and we did them on train station lights in a parking lot. And they were having a bad pigeon problem. They were having a bad hawk problem. Now, I've seen this go both ways, so I want to just make sure I clarify this. they haven't had a problem since. It's been beautiful. We've been back a couple times to check. It's clean. The area doesn't have any droppings, so the customers aren't seeing droppings anymore. But I have had jobs where I've had a hawk kind of just sit on this and crush it. So it's hit and miss. Those predator birds, they're pretty brazen. So a lot of times, I don't know about a lot of times, but I've seen it happen one time, and the hawk just kind of sat on the edge and crushed these things down a little bit. He didn't care if they were moving. But when the wind is moving these things and they're sitting here just flapping, the longer ones even more so than a 2-footer, it's kind of a little more rigid. It freaks the birds out and they don't want to land there. So if you have an AC unit that's up on the roof and they're crapping all over that, and every time your guy comes out to do a service job, you got bird crap all over it and they don't even want to touch it, bird spiders are fantastic. Now, another way to put this product up, they come with a sandbag base. You can get that also on howtopest.com. The sandbag base, it's for areas that you don't want to permanently attach this to. So let's say you have a boat. This is a fantastic area for these sand bases. And you got a couple of these that you put out on your boat cover when you're not using it and it's in the dock or wherever it may be, and you got one on the back, wherever it may be that you need to put these, but you've covered that area and the birds aren't landing anymore. But now you need to remove it because you're using your boat. You're not going to roll around the river with this stuff flapping all over the place, right? Stupid, right? But the sand base just allows you to pick it up and move it. It comes with straps where it straps down. It has a section on it where this screws into the base. So what happens is this base comes off and this round part at the top is what stays. And I believe I've done a video on that. So go over and check out the sand base video. If not, shoot us a question. We'll walk you through the whole thing. It's simple. It's really just cut and dry. The directions show you how to do it. But the sand base is an option for those of you that don't want to permanently attach this. Now, the bird spiders, when you put these out, this is how you know how much area you need to cover. So it's on a boat. You kind of know you need to cover to the edge of the boat. But if you're doing, say, like an AC unit, or you're doing like a street light or any type of light structure or anything in general, you want these to overhang at least an inch. You have these just overhanging the area. You can go right up to the edge, but you're kind of pushing it. You're kind of trying to get a little bit of an overhang, maybe even half an inch. But anything that barely overhangs the area that you're protecting, you're going to be good to go. These bird spiders by Bird Be Gone, they've been out for a long time. They're just a great option for those areas that you can't spike or use other deterrents. Now, the other thing, like I just said, spikes, they're not removable. Once you put spikes up, they're kind of bonded down in place. This is the option where you don't need something permanent. You need to remove it. But it's just a very versatile, can be used in many different situations. Just an easy product to use, guys. I'm going to keep rambling here because there's not much more to say about the bird spider. So I'm going to leave it at that. If you have any questions about the bird spider, I'm happy to answer those for you. Like I said, other videos, I show you how to do different things with the sand base and putting it on boats. I think we even have one putting it on a boat. You can check that out. But that's it, guys. We appreciate all the thumbs up. Hope you're having a fantastic day out there. All you subs out there, thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Just go down below, hit that subscribe button. These videos come out 3 times a week. We put the shorts out 7 days a week. So we're always shooting new content at you. I always tell people if there's something that I haven't done that you'd like to see, I'm happy to do that for you. There might be some career you're dealing with. You want me to explain how to get rid of it. If I have experience in doing so, or I know the right product, I'll lead you in the right direction. Just shoot us a comment down below. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Craig, howtopest.com.